Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today we are back in the dining room. It is week 4 of our cruising through the holiday missions. Can you believe it? We're already that far along. We're into the second half of these missions. So today is Monday, November 11th, and we're on to mission number 16. So as you know, typically in the Fly Lady system, she sets aside Monday as her weekly home blessing hour. And if you're kind of new to the system or you're not familiar, basically her whole system is very flexible. She gives you some ideas on the framework, but says, make it work for your life and your schedule and your family and all that. So I right now do most of my weekly home blessing tasks on Monday, but you could also spread it out over the week. There are a few of them that I do on Tuesday, like I always try to wash our towels and rugs from the bathroom on Tuesday, so Tuesday towels, that's how I remember it. So that's my load of laundry for Tuesday, and I always say to myself, well, if I'm getting the rugs and towels clean, I might as well do a good deep clean of the bathroom and sweep and mop that floor. So that reminds me every Tuesday just to start that in the morning. Usually when I start the load of laundry in the morning, then I think, well, the bathroom's already kind of cleaned out. I might as well do my good swish and swipe, and I might as well spritz down the shower and do a quick sanitization of that and just wipe it all down with my cleaner. And then I'm like, well, I'm almost done. I might as well vacuum and mop in here too. And it's just a quick vacuum, and I use a steam mop, so I plug that in and get around all the corners and it's done. And it's really nice then at the end of the day to have fresh towels and the bathroom's all clean and shiny. So just think of things that you can do like that, where you incorporate a little bit of maintenance and cleaning into your weekly or daily tasks, and then you're not overwhelmed and you're not waiting till it's too bad and then it's hard to clean. So that's one of the tips and the little lessons from the Fly Lady that I really have enjoyed, and it's made a difference for me, is trying to do some cleaning before it looks dirty. And that's something to think about, is if you look at stuff and you say, well, it's not dirty and I don't need to clean it yet, by the time it's dirty, it takes a little bit more work to clean it. So if you're just doing some regular maintenance and keeping up with it a little more often, then it's a much faster clean and it's no big deal. All right, so anyway, most of my stuff I do on Monday, some of it's on Sunday. You can do it however you want, but it's just basic things like quick dust in the zone if you want to do it that way. Doing your floors, and it's just kind of the main traffic areas. You could either vacuum, sweep, mop, whatever it is, but don't go crazy with it. Don't spend hours doing it. Just a little quick kind of tidy and pick up of everything to get the floors done. Changing the sheets on your bed, which I do that usually on Monday. So Monday, my load of laundry is the sheets, and then taking out the trash and recycling, which our trash gets picked up Monday. So on Sunday, I'm doing the trash collecting through the house, and then on Wednesday, our recycling gets picked up, so Tuesday I'm collecting all the recycling and taking that out. If you have magazines, go through and purge or recycle your magazines. We no longer have magazine subscriptions. It took me a long time, but I finally purged out all of those. I was able to share quite a few with my grandma, who loved them. It was fun for her to get a whole new batch of things to read. You can also take them to, doctor's offices, maybe the library. Just check around in your area and see if there are people who might want those old magazines, and think about maybe stopping subscriptions. I just got to the point where I was too busy and I thought, why am I paying for this subscription? I can't read them anyway. And our library has all kinds of magazines. So if I really want to read a magazine, I can run down there and pick up all kinds of things and have a magazine to read. So let's see, dusting, mopping, floors. Dusting, floors, magazines, trash, sheets. What am I missing? Windows and glass. So that's kind of the same thing. You could do the windows just in the zone. And there's a seventh thing. I'm trying to think of what it is. If you know, you have to let me know down below. I'll put it in the comments because it's not coming to me, but I want to finish this up. So anyway, today is Monday. Do your weekly home blessing or some part of it. And if you do it every day is a little different, than just do the Monday thing. And as far as your cruising through the holiday mission, your mission today is, while you're doing your quick tidy up of the house, grab a bag and take it along with you and do a 27 fling boogie. So last week I did that and it sort of spurred me on. I ended up getting 3 bags of just mostly toys and just stuff we didn't need out. So this week I have another bag, and I actually was in the kitchen because it's zone 2, and there was a cabinet that was spilling out, and I thought, why do we have so much in there? We don't use it anyway. So I have this giant cup, which we haven't used in years. This was just a little, I don't know, dollar store or dollar spot thing. I can't remember. This was a donation that I got from somebody. I'm passing it along, donating it to someone else. What else? I have another whole bag of things here, and you know, these are important things that we've had around our house. So we don't need this. I think this came in a whole little collection of like dress up hats, and I saw this and I thought, I have never needed this. My daughter's never played with it. Why do we have it? So this is gonna go out, and I'm pretty sure I have a whole bunch of other little dress up hats. I'll keep the ones that she does use. You know, there are some that she always picks up and plays with, but this was never one of them. I don't know why. What else? Just little things. We had an extra whole set of spatulas and stuff for the kitchen. We don't need them. I already have a set. They're really nice, so someone will enjoy getting those. And then I found a few baby toys and things, which we certainly don't need. I'm pretty sure I had these in a box to give away, and my daughter saw them and wanted to play with them. So she's had a chance to play with them for a while, but I think we can just pass these on. I know people that have had babies. Someone I know just adopted a baby. There are people that would love to have these toys and items. So we're getting them out of the house, making more room for the fun new stuff coming in at Christmas, and taking care of our home. So that's it for me today. Stay tuned for the next video and mission tomorrow from the Fly Ladies Cruising Through the Holiday System. And don't forget, just jump in where we are. You don't have to catch up. You don't have to go back and do all the missions. Essentially, it's kind of the same thing. Mondays are clean and fling day. Tuesdays are your plan and play day. Wednesdays are your anti-procrastination day. Thursdays are errand day, and Friday is your budget day. So those are the general things to think about as you're going through the week. Doesn't matter if you miss one, doesn't matter if you miss them all. If you just do something at some point and it makes you feel like you're ahead and you've thought about it and you're not quite so stressed at the holidays, then you're off and doing well. So thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.